I love finding drugstore products that work. I've been checking the drugstore every time I'm there. They finally carry the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour skin tint. It has an iridescence in it. Sometimes if it's too glowy, it can really enhance those lines. It comes in a dropper form. Thing about drugstore is you never can tell the color that you're picking out. Oh, that's quite dark. This one is 220. Let's see if it blends out nicely. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Oh my goodness, what was I thinking? Oh, that's not bad. It's a great way to cheat up your self-tan. Ignore this, nothing I can do about it. Oh, hey, that's really pretty. Let's see if I can build it up. Let me get up close for you. So far, so good. Okay, makeup's all done. Right now, I feel like it looks really pretty and I'm under pretty bright lights, but the true test will be in the sunlight. I'm gonna film a YouTube video and put it on at the start of the day and check in as the day goes on. That will be a better test for me. But right now, I think my skin looks really good. In fact, I'm really having a great makeup day. Let me know if you've tried this before. I hope this helps and I will see you later. Bye.